This YouTube channel got 84 million views in the last 30 days. Even if we consider just a $0.1 RPM, that's still around $8,000 made from ads alone. The numbers are insane. 110 million views, 72 million views, 54 million views, and the list goes on. That is crazy growth. And all of that is achieved by making videos like these. Just a few photos, some text, emojis, this wavy animation, and a simple skull shake effect at the end. Now, most people assume this type of content can't get monetized. But here's the twist they use to stay monetized. They don't just use static images, they animate the images using a wavy animation. Along with that, the channel also posts video edits from time to time. And that is the key. That's the reason they stay monetized. I'll show you how you can create these edits without using any complex software, just using Capcut in the simplest way possible. And the best part is that you only need to edit once. After that, you can reuse the same template for your future videos. Let's get into the editing tutorial.